Hmm, mahalaga ang oras para sa akin. Mukhang yan ang sinasabi mo rito 'no, umpisa pa lamang. So, mukhang ikaw ito 'no, na parang meron ka ritong progress yung pinaka nakakuha ng atensyon ko. Meron kang gusto ritong gawin 'no, kung saan parang, maaaring success or maaaring tagumpay or maaaring improvement 'no, yung gusto mong mangyari. So, let's see, ano ba itong nangyayari na ito? At maaaring may kinalaman nito 'no, sa mga tamang pagpili, maaaring mga desisyon 'no, na parang gusto mong gawin ng tama 'no, mga desisyon na alam mo na magkakaroon ng maganda at positibong resulta para sa'yo. So 'yan, ang bongga nun, at talagang importante na talaga na maisagawa mo 'yan 'no, pabalik-balik yung orasan rito mga babes 'no, at hindi ito basta orasan, this is the alarm clock. Repeat after me, alarm clock. Ano 'to, English grammar ba 'to? So yeah, I'm seeing that you've already paid some kind of a karmic debt at parang meron kang receive na gift, no? Ano ba itong gift na to? Gift from your angel, guides, and spirits right here. Time is really important to you. Parang, parang nakikita kitang ano eh, desidido, ganun yung dating eh. Desidido. Desidido, perseguido. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, power. That's what I'm getting right off the bat. There's strong power in here. And it looks like the power is coming from you, collective, honey. So good job. So let's keep moving. Mukhang naiintindihan nyo na, no? Especially ang kahalagahan ng inyong sarili. Oh, oh, grabe. Nakakasilaw naman yun. With the abundance right at the middle of this reading, you're not running away from abundance, but you're running towards abundance right here. Not chasing it, but you're heading towards this abundance here. So, yan, no? Nakikita ko rito na susundin mo more likely ang yung intuition. Yan ang nakikita ko rito. If you feel that something here is abundant or feeling abundant or will take you to abundance, I'm seeing you moving forward. Good job. So, let's keep moving. Wow, sinong kausap natin dito? You almost give me the vibe that you're a queen and that you're a king right here. So we do not have any gender here collective, but you're doing a great job. Wow. I love it. Oh, wow. Something's, something spicy and it will get spicier right here. And you're about to get the spiciest. Kung ano yan, mamaya pag-uusapan natin. So, hi and hello collective. Thank you so much. Nandito na naman tayo. I like your reading, ah. So, wag na kaya natin pag-usapan. Hindi pa na pag-usapan. I like your reading, pero wag na pag-usapan. So, yeah, hi, hello new subscribers. Ganito lang po yung reader, but I'm okay, I'm okay. I do not have record in Libertad Mental Hospital. So, you're safe. So, thank you so much sa mga pabalik-balik na subscribers, no? Naiintindihan niyo na ako, no? Yes, yes, okay, thank you so much. So, yun nga, na wala tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, yan, no? Thank you so much. But you know what? I love it because acts and not today, self-indulgence. Very good. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na ito kayo na 2023 could be tough for you guys, okay? 2023 or this past few years, no, naging mahirap yan for you. Nakikita ko rito, okay, there's a struggle, may mga pinagdaanan kayo, kanya-kanya kayo ritong journey. You've been through a lot. May mga nakakapagod na sitwasyon sa inyo, no? May mga bagay kayong hindi nasunod sa mga plano ninyo, no? This 2023 or this past few years, something to do with this mga nakaraan, no? Na mga araw, buwan, or maaaring mga taon. Okay? But, you're learning a lot. Yan. 2023 could be tough for you guys, or the previous years could be tough to you. Pero nakikita ko rito that you're learning. Others of you, you're not aware na natututo kayo rito, no? Pero natututo kayo. I'm seeing it. Okay? With the axe in here, nakikita ko rito that you're stopping the pattern. Like, hindi ako gagawa ng kahit na anong mistake. Like, hindi na mauulit yung mga mistake ko in the past few years. That is you. So powerful. Yan, no? Ikaw to, no, na sobrang nilulook forward mo yung 2024, no, that you will make things right for yourself sa 2024. Hindi na ako uulitin, hindi ko na uulitin yung mga syunga moments ko before. Yan, no? I'm seeing you ganun ka, no, in your mind. Hindi na, never na mauulit lahat ng mga kasyungahan na nagawa ko. I'm doing this right this 2024. Okay? I'm making myself happy. I'm making myself abundant. Palalaguin ko ang aking sarili. Magkakaroon ako ng maraming growth sa sarili ko. I'm gonna focus here with my life. I'm gonna build my life now. No more. No more na pagpaplano lang. Gagawin ko na ito ng tama ngayon. Magfo-focus ako. Yan, no? Magfo-focus ka rito, no? Na paunlarin yung sarili mo sa lahat ng area ng life mo. Area ng kaperahan, area ng healing, area ng growth, area ng well-being. You're gonna do the healthy lifestyle, no? You're gonna start improving. You're gonna start progressing slowly pero steady. Sisiguraduhin mo, no, na meron kang gagawin na mas malaking pagbabago para sa'yo this 2024. A lot of confidence in you, a lot of power in you. So, yung nakikita ko rito, no? Dati, mga babes, no? Meron kayo, like 2023 or the past old years for you guys, meron kayo rito na hindi nyo sinunod yung intuition ninyo. Okay? Meron kayo rito na parang nagstay kayo, na-attach kayo sa isang situation, may be trabaho, na-attach kayo sa isang trabaho, na hindi nyo sinunod yung intuition mo. Like, let's just say, if that's a work for you guys, this is you na, kahit na nararamdaman mo na, your intuition is telling you na umalis na dun sa job na yon, yung attachment mo at yung fear mo, no, is nagstay. Like, kunyari may nag-pop up na opportunity, okay, na pwedeng may nag-open na vacancy at gusto mo yung trabaho na yun, pero hindi mo grab yung opportunity na yun. Why? Kasi nagkaroon ka ng doubt, nagkaroon ka ng fear, no? If that's work-related, no? Nagkaroon ka ng doubt, nagkaroon ka ng fear na baka hindi ako mapasok dyan, baka hindi ako para dyan sa trabaho na yan, no? In all of those things, no? Nag-interfere, no, yung takot at doubts doon, no? Kaya hindi yun natuloy. Hindi mo sinunod dahil dun sa attachment mo na magstay na lang ako dito sa trabaho ko kasi marami akong binabayaran na loan and marami akong mga kailangan na responsibilities na top din with finances, no, or money issues, yan, no. So, hindi mo sinunod yon. For others of you, if it's not work, it could be love life, no, na parang sinasabi ng intuition mo, no, na naputulin mo na yung connection mo with that person. Okay, if that's your boyfriend, girlfriend, or your wife or your husband or ka-live-in, whatever, no, you're connecting with the heart space level, no. Kahit na hindi niya sinushow sa'yo, no, hindi niya binabalik ng pantay or higit pa yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa kanya, no, you choose to stay with that person in the past. Why? Kasi you feel comfortable in his or her presence. No? Hindi mo siya maiwan-iwan. No? Kasi siya yung nagbibigay ng comfort sa'yo. Nasanay kang andyan siya and nakikita mo siya, no, bilang yung one and only. No? Na parang ito lang yung person na mamahalin ko. So kahit ganyan siya, antayin ko na lang siya magbago kung kailan siya magbabago. Ganun ka dati, no? But there's some kind of toxic energy surrounding you guys, no? Or there is some kind of unhealthy thing diba? Negative energy is flowing. No? So parang hindi mo siya hinihiwalayan just because mahal mo siya. Kahit hindi mo nare-receive yung right love. Kahit na ikaw yung give ng give, and if that person tends to give to you, it's just a little of his or her love. It's just a little of his or her time and effort. Hindi nagmamatch kung ano yung binibigay mo. So, it could be anything, any situation here na nahirapan ka na i-let go in the past. Kaya, pinagpaliban mo or hindi mo pinansin kundi pwedeng mga babes, no? Nagkaroon ka ng mga takot, no, at negatibong emosyon, no, na parang ang naisip mo, no, baka mas mahirapan ako pag nilet go ko tong tao na to or pag nilet go ko tong kung trabaho na to or whatever man yan, no. But now, okay, you're listening to your intuition, no, no more drama. That is the not today. No more drama in 2024. I'm gonna start it right, okay? Pag tumawag yung ex ko sa akin, it's like, I'm gonna say no. I'm moving towards the light, sumama na ako sa liwanag. Sumama sa liwanag, ibig sabihin nun, no, hindi sa tatawid kayo sa kabilang buhay, no. Sumama sa liwanag, kundi dun kayo, no, na sinusunod nyo na yung pathway kung saan mas magiging maliwanag ang buhay for you. Okay? Kasi alam mo na yung life, 'di ba? Together with that person, walang growth, no, ganun pa din, no, and you're receiving here, no, kung ano yung nare-receive mo before. So, like you're saying, no, I'm not coming back, okay? Go on, move on to your life. I'm gonna do my own thing here. I'm gonna do my own business here. This is you creating changes and walking away from that, okay, unhealthy attachment. No more anymore. Parang ganun, no? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you moving towards the light, moving towards that pathway you deserve, and you're creating this abundance sa'yo. I'm seeing success in you. Ginaguide ka rito. It's like your angels and spirit guides right here. Okay, binubulungan ka nila, no, na tuloy-tuloy lang, huwag mo na siyang pakinggan, huwag mo nang sagutin yung mga tawag niya. That guy or that woman is unhealthy for you. He will he will not do anything good to you, or she will not do anything good to you. Just keep moving. We're guiding you towards that pathway of success. Yes, they're guiding you. Okay? Trabaho, boyfriend, girlfriend, ex, yan. Nakikita ko, no? Iniiwan mo na yan, ano man yan, no? You're stopping that pattern. You're breaking that pattern. You're creating this new pace, this new chapter of your life. Yan, no? Pwedeng didedmahin mo na lang yan or parang bibigyan mo yun ng ultimatum, no? Tapos, finale na yun. Yung nakikita ko rito na, so yeah, whatever the case may be, sakto, no? So whatever the case may be, I heard that song, you know that song. No? I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. Oh, see? You don't wanna talk about it. Like, I don't wanna talk about it. Hindi ko na yan i-brought up sa 2024 ko, and I don't want to talk with this person here. I'm not coming back. I'm not going back to my old days together with this person or together with this job. Yes, someone here from the past will gonna try to contact you, but you're saying no. Okay? Whether it is an employer here dun sa dati mong trabaho, balik ka na rito kasi kailangan namin talaga eh, no? But you feel, your intuition is telling you na ganun na naman eh. Hindi na naman sa akin mabibigay yung tama rito na bayad eh. Nag-OT ako, hindi ko naman nare-receive yung right salary for me. There's no growth in this company. I've been here for so many years already, pero ito pa rin, hindi ko pa rin ma-receive yung right benefits for me. You're saying no. They're gonna reach out, you're saying no. Dun sa ex mo, dun sa past lover mo dyan, eh, they're gonna contact you. Especially kung lasing sila, no? Nakikita ko rito, no, na kukontakin ka nila. But you're saying no. You're saying no. So whoever this individual is, I'm picking up that this person here is actually trying, okay, to persuade you. Yan, no? Pero, ang dami mo nang natutunan dito, babe. Nakikita kita na nag-grow ka na, nakikita kita rito na talagang malaki na yung pinagbago mo, no? Like, hindi ko na uulitin yung same mistake. So, yung iba baka binigyan nyo pa ng chance yun dati, tao man yun or trabaho, no? Pero ngayon, nakikita kong pinipili mo na yung healthy choices. You're making yourself happy here. Happy, stable, balance rito, no? Yung emosyon mo, yung feelings mo, yung money mo, yung happiness mo inuuna mo. Okay, nakikita kita na nag-e-enjoy, nag-e-excite sa mga new adventures dito, no? Nakikita kita rito, no? Na maraming pagbabago ang hindi mo na tinatakasan, kundi yayakapin mo na. Yan, no? Ikaw to, no, na ayoko na, sawa na ako sa mga palaging ganun na sitwasyon, no. I'm going to something new. Yan, no. Doon na ako sa something new kahit wala akong alam kung ano mangyayari sa akin, basta doon ako sa something new kasi alam ko na doon posibleng may pagbabago. Diyan, kung babalik ako, ay, yun at yun na naman. So, yun yun mga babes, no? Tsaka ito maganda, no? Nakikita ko rin dito that with the talking both right here in passion, marami kayong makakonekta rito, iba-ibang mga tao. Pwedeng business partnerships yan, pwede rin naman ng mga bagong kaibigan, no? Pero isa dyan, yung may mabubuo kayong tinatawag natin sa science na chemistry. Yan, no? Literal na pwedeng mahal niya yung math kasi nakakuha tayo ng ganong energy. So, baka favorite niya yung chemistry or physics, no, sa science, but doesn't have to be. Pero, nakikita ko, no, na meron dyan, sa lahat ng makakonekta mo, may iisa dyan na, especially if you're looking for love, no, meron dyang isa na magmo-move yung inyong chemistry, no, to the next level. No? Nakikita ko na merong progress, no, sa inyong koneksyon ng tao na yan, sino man yan, no? I'm seeing na itong klase ng energy na to, no, ito yung sinasabi mong hinahanap mong excitement. Everything, every day will be okay, exciting whenever you're with this person here kasi there will be so much fun in this type of connection. Sobrang nakikita ko tayo magiging masaya sa bagong mundo na kinikreate mo. Tama yan mga babes, no? Kasi kung isa ako sa mga anghel mo, hindi lang kita mga babes sasabihan na umalis ka na dyan sa sitwasyon na yan, no, i-guide ka namin, kundi ako tutulak pa kita. Umalis ka na dyan. Ganun, no. Dito ka. Yan, no. Aakayin kita doon, mga babes, no. Ipapasan kita, no, sa aking mga pakpak at tayo ay lilipad papunta dito sa mundong ito dahil napakaganda, napakasaya at gusto kitang maging maligaya. Oh. So, huwag mag-alala, meron naman akong lisensya para ilipad ko kayo. Piloto pala. Ang daming trabaho niyan. So, yun nga, no? Claim this, honey, because I know that you deserve this. Thank you so much. You're so powerful. And I like kung ano ka at magiging ano ka pa sa 2024 in the upcoming years for you guys. So, thank you so much, honey. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong!